Hi, so I want to show you just this little app here, this pop-up made with tkinter and tkinter message box. So in this class that I call win, there is this method that is pop-up called, and it just hides the the root window and then create a message box dot show info window where you get the title and a message. So and so to call it, we do call this class win and then the method pop up, and or maybe you could also do win equal win and then win dot pop up and put the title and the message. That's it. This is a message, as you can see, and that's all. To make a little pop-up message with tkinter. And well, maybe if you don't wanna make all this stuff, you can just do this. Message, hi there. The only thing is that if you want to don't want to see the main window, you just do like this. And so that's all. In case you wanna use my snippet up here, go create a new one and go show info. Or message box show info and write it here and save it so you get it. But you also can have your a little different here win pop-up function or this one. And so that's all for the moment, and so next time we will see how I implemented it into this code, also together with this input file name. This here in tkinter input. Okay. So let's save it, and for the moment we don't have a way to delete the snippets we don't need anymore. So this is okay, and now you can see here I got all my files. Maybe I want to sort them, and we will see how next time.